Alam nyo yung pinaka nakakatakot na klase ng tao? Ito yung mga tahimik lang, hindi pumapalag, patawa-tawa lang. Alam nyo yun, nakikita nyo parang slightly binabasag yung trip nila or pinagtitripan. O yung, alam nyo yun? Yung mga tao na grabe magpigil, nakakatakot yung mga yan. It's because their superpower is self-control. Self-control. Napakahirap na i-master yan because you have to undergo a lot of things for you to gain that kind of self-control na hindi ka papatol agad. Akala nyo yung pa-joke-joke lang, yung mga side comments na ganyan, pinalalampas lang nila yan. May bingo card na yan. Hawak nila yan. Oras na na-blackout mo lahat yan, yung bingo card patience nila. You have to face the consequence of pushing their limits. Tama? Tama? And another thing, aside from having a superpower which is self-control, is because they know the consequences of their actions once they act on you. Kaya, huwag masyadong padalos-dalos o di kaya prenteng-prente, presko tayo, alam mo yung feeling close agad. Tatandaan nyo, ang bawat isa may battles yan that they had to undergo just to gain that kind of patience and self-control and awareness of what they can do. Tama? So, life lesson yan. Hindi porket na pwede niyong batuk-batukan lang yung tao. Isang araw yan pag pumitik yan. You have to face the music. Kung aso nga, kung araw-araw mo sinisipa, di ba? Kakagating ka balang araw. Tao pa kaya? So, reminder lang ha. Reminder lang. And if you're someone na nagtitimpik ka lang, o di kaya may bingo card ka, malapit na talaga mag-blackout tong tao na to sa'yo. You're just doing a great job of having that kind of composure because not everybody has that kind of skill. I'll call it a skill. Tama? Steady lang. Tapos pag hindi mo na talaga kaya, look for a way that you can address the issue. Tatlo lang yan. Kung ikaw yung taong being pushed na yung button sa 3 things. Ask, tell, make. Ano yung ask? Ask them to stop. Ask them. Kung ayaw huminto, tell someone. Manager, friend, relative that can help you. Kung dun sa pangalawa, hindi tumalab, make them stop. Then, there you go. Tatlo lang. Yun lang. Tinakot ko lang kayo kasi may mga tao nakakabwisit.